Welcome to another hair video. So in this video I'll be showing you how I do my full hair routine. So I'm starting off with a 1-month-old hair. Yes, I haven't washed this hair in a month. So the first thing I would do is detangle my hair, and I like to use okra or okra as other people call it to detangle my hair. So because of the sliminess of the okra, it makes it really easy to detangle, and because I haven't washed my hair in over a month, I need something that will help me detangle without my hair breaking. So it's just easy. Just cut your okra into little pieces and just add some water and boil it, and here you go, you have your okra gel. You can use this as a conditioner, you can use this as a detangler, which is what I'll be doing here. So I start off with a wet hair. I just use my fingers to first finger detangle. It is always very important to detangle your hair before you wash, because if you don't do that, it will tangle more and that will lead to your hair breaking. So I'm just using my fingers to separate it. Once I am comfortable that there's no knot or anything, I will start to apply the okra gel. So what it does is it immediately starts to make it really easy for you to just detangle, and you can see I'm using my fingers to separate as I detangle the hair. So it's already detangling so fast, and I put my hair in 6 sections because it's easier to wash your hair in sections as opposed to you just washing it as an altogether. I always say this in my video. Usually I would do 4 sections, but like I said, I haven't washed my hair in a month, so my hair is really detangled. I could barely pass a comb through it, so I needed to have it in 6 sections so that I will wash it in smaller sections for easy detangling. So I'll keep using my fingers to finger detangle until I am absolutely satisfied that the hair isn't tangled anymore and there's no knot anywhere. And this way, doing this will help me avoid breakage and shedding. So you can see there's literally almost nothing coming out, even though I had some shedding, obviously just very little, but the fact that I haven't washed my hair in a long time, to me that's really not shedding. It's just, yeah, it's something that you would usually lose when you comb your hair on a daily basis. Yeah, so I would do that, and then once I know everything is well detangled, I will now use a comb. Make sure you're using a comb with wide tooth, don't use a very small comb, and then I'll just walk the comb through it just to make sure everywhere is well detangled. Once I'm done, I will move to the other sections. So in case you're wondering why okra, so apart from the sliminess of the okra, which I said really helps with sleep and helps with detangling, okra is also very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K. It is also very rich in calcium and potassium, which are very important nutrients when it comes to hair growth. So it is really good for the hair. It helps with shine. It also helps to moisturize the hair. So I'm just showing you a close-up look of the hair, and then yeah, so once I have finished applying to everywhere, I will just go ahead and rinse it out. So this is my hair after it has been rinsed. Like, I've rinsed out the okra. At this stage I can now start washing my hair properly because it's no longer tangled. It's easier for me to work with. So I like to apply some oil and massage it to my scalp and on the hair as well. Shampooing your hair can actually dry the hair sometimes, and what I try to do is I apply this oil to the hair so that it helps minimize the dryness. And also, this is my hair growth oil, so I like to just apply it to my hair and apply it to the scalp and massage it properly before I apply my shampoo. So in case you're wondering, I do have a recipe of this hair growth oil on my channel. I'll link it in the description box. I'll advise you check it out. It's really good for hair growth, and since I made it, I absolutely love it. and I've seen a lot of difference to my hair. So I'm just going to repeat the process to the whole hair before applying my shampoo. I also remember to add to my edges. My edges are always my problem area because I always have my hair in a bun. So most of the time my edges seem to be struggling, or they're breaking because the pressure from having my hair in a bun consistently. So I always remember. So remember to add, apply that to your any problem area you have and massage it properly. So once I have finished applying the oil, I will just immediately apply my shampoo and concentrating obviously on the scalp. Make sure that you massage properly just to make sure that your scalp is really clean. And because of the oil on it, obviously I am washing the hair itself as well. And then once I have finished, I will just go ahead and rinse it. And so because of everything I have done with the okra and the oil, my hair is already shining even though I haven't even finished. So now I will be adding some bentonite clay to my hair. So I'll mix it with apple cider vinegar and some water. I have a detailed video of how I do this on my channel. I'll link it in the description box as well. Please check it out, you will love it. This is something that I tell people to do at least once a month. If you can do it twice a month, your hair will absolutely love it. Yeah, so I wouldn't go into much details as to the benefit of this because I already have a video on that on my channel. You can check it out, but it's something that's really good for the hair. You would I would advise you start doing it if you're not doing it already. I'm just applying that to my hair now before I go ahead and rinse it. So this full wash routine is not something I do all the time. It's something that when I feel my hair is acting up, I haven't given my hair so much attention in a while, I tend to do this just to revive it to its normal state. If you see that your hair is not healthy, probably you've neglected your hair for a while, then I will advise you do these steps. It's really good for the hair. It will revive your hair back to its normal healthy state. Like I mentioned, like I mentioned earlier on, I haven't done anything to my hair in a while, and my hair is absolutely needs this love and care, which is why I'm going through these steps. But it's something that obviously everybody's busy. You should do this even if it's just once every 2 months. I think it's really good for the hair. Your hair will love it. So once I have applied the bentonite clay to my hair, I just use my hand to keep finger detangling, then use a white tooth comb to just comb it. At this stage, because I have detangled the hair already, it's so easy for the comb to pass through. It's really not difficult, and you can see that it has really defined my curls, which is one thing about bentonite clay. It will show every curl. Even if you usually don't have a curl, you apply this, you will see how your curl patterns are coming out. So it's really good yeah, for your hair. And then once I have done that, I'll go ahead and rinse out the hair. So the next thing I would do after rinsing it out is for me to apply my conditioner. So this is where I would use my detangling brush to actually detangle the hair, because at this stage my hair is already well detangled. It's feeling so soft, it's shiny already. I'll just apply the conditioner. I use the Cream of Nature. In case you're wondering what products I use the Cream of Nature, and then I'll just use my detangling brush, and you can see how easy it's just sliding through because my hair is well detangled. It's so easy for the detangling brush to pass through without any breakage. So once I have finished applying my conditioner all over my hair, I will just go ahead and rinse it out, and then we'll get to the final stage of this routine. I know it's a lot of steps, but they are all important steps. So I'll just rinse it out, and then I'll apply my leave-in conditioner, and then apply my hair butter. I also have a video of my hair butter on my channel. I will also link it in the description box. Check it out, it will really help you. It's also a very rich butter I made myself, and my hair absolutely loves it. So I am applying the leave-in conditioner, applying the butter, and then I'll just brush it for the final time, and then I will just do a single braid. So I'll do that all over the hair, and basically that's it. I will leave my hair in this braid till the hair is completely dry. Sometimes I don't even take it out, except if I have a reason to. Maybe I'm going out, I'm not wearing a wig, then I will take it out. But if I'm wearing a wig, sometimes I just leave it till my next wash routine, or I just want to have my hair in a bun, which I always do all the time. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you've watched till this stage, thank you so much. Then subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell so that when I do post a video you will get notified. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.